Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of WooCommerce and showing you how to streamline your customers' shopping experience with auto-apply coupons using the Smart Coupons for WooCommerce plugin. So, what exactly are auto-apply coupons? They're a fantastic feature that automatically applies discounts to your customers' carts without them having to enter any coupon codes manually. This not only saves time but also eliminates the risk of errors and adds a pleasant surprise for your customers. Let's quickly go over the benefits. No manual code entry, prevents copy-paste errors, removes the need to remember codes, adds a surprise element for customers. Alright, let's get started with setting up auto-apply coupons. Once the plugin is installed and activated, navigate to the Smart Coupons section and click on All Coupons. Here, you'll see a list of all your coupons. To create a new one, click on Add Coupon. Or if you want to edit an existing coupon, simply select it from the list. Now, let's set up the coupon. You can customize the coupon code, discount type, amount, usage limits, and more according to your preferences. Now head to the General tab. Here, you'll find the option Apply Coupon Automatically. Enable it to activate the auto-apply feature for this coupon. Once you've configured the coupon settings as desired, click on the Publish button to save your changes. And there you go. You've successfully set up an auto-apply coupon in WooCommerce. Now, whenever a customer meets the criteria for this coupon, the discount will be applied automatically at checkout. Now that you've set up auto-apply coupons, let's see how you can manage them efficiently. Head back to the Smart Coupons. This time, click on Auto-apply coupons. Here, you'll find a list of all your auto-apply coupons. They're listed based on priority, with the newest ones having the highest priority. The coupons labeled as available are the ones that will be applied to the cart. It's important to note that not all available coupons will be applied, only those that meet the cart conditions will be applied. Also, coupons without the available tag are either in draft state or expired. You can adjust the priority of your coupons based on your preferences. To swap priorities, click on the swap icon next to the coupons you want to adjust. Then, enter the priority of the other coupon you want to switch with and confirm the changes. Additionally, you can customize the settings for auto-apply coupons. This includes setting the maximum number of coupons applied per cart and the number of coupons checked for eligibility. To do this, click on Auto-apply coupon settings. Scroll down to the Auto-apply coupons section. Here you have two options. The default maximum number of auto-apply coupons per cart is 5. Let's adjust this to 2. Next, we have the number of coupons checked for eligibility, which defaults to 10. Let's modify this to 6. Now, when a product is added to the cart, the plugin will scan through the first 6 coupons from the list until it finds a maximum of 2 eligible coupons. If there are 3 eligible coupons in the list, only the first 2 will be applied. Similarly, if there's only 1 eligible coupon among the first 6 coupons, it will be the only one applied. And there you have it. With auto-apply coupons, you can enhance your customers' shopping experience and boost sales effortlessly. Be sure to give this feature a try and see the difference it makes in your WooCommerce store. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful content. And if you've got any questions, drop them in the comments or reach out to our support team.